Welcome to episode 10, the final episode of my resilience workshop. Today, we're discussing the concept of legacy and how to create a lasting impact through your actions. Your legacy is the imprint you leave on the world, shaped by your actions, values, and the way you treat others. It's not just about grand achievements, but the small, everyday moments that collectively define your life. Consider the impact of teachers who dedicate their lives to educating and inspiring young minds. Their legacy lives on through the successes and contributions of their students. So how can you build a meaningful legacy? Well, here are some strategies. Number one, live with purpose. Identify your core values and let them guide your decisions and actions. When you live aligned with your purpose, you naturally create a positive impact. Number two, cultivate relationships. Invest in meaningful relationships. The connections you build with others can be a powerful part of your legacy. Number three, give back. Find ways to contribute to your community or causes you care about. Acts of kindness and service leave a lasting impression. Number four, share your knowledge. Mentor others and share your skills and experiences. Teaching and guiding others ensures that your legacy of knowledge and wisdom continues. Number five, document your journey. Write about your experiences, lessons learned, and insights. This can be a valuable resource for future generations. Number six, lead by example. Your actions often speak louder than words. Demonstrate integrity, compassion, and resilience in everything you do. Reflect on the legacy you want to leave. How can your daily actions contribute to this vision? Implementing these strategies can help you create a lasting and meaningful legacy. These 10 episodes, we have had a blast together exploring new ways to find resilience and build resilience in our lives. I look forward to seeing you soon. Until then, please stay purposeful, please stay connected, and please keep making a positive impact. I wish you days filled with intention, growth, and lasting fulfillment.